Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you my Christmas box from Thriss and Stitches. So why don't we take a look? I'm kind of excited. You know, I love Thriss. I'm going to definitely tag her in the video so you can go pick her up. I got a Christmas card. It says, how much merry is too much merry? That's super cute. And she put a note in here. So it says, it's a trick question. There's no such thing as too much merry. Wishing you the Christmasiest Christmas ever. I like that. And she did put a note in here to me, which is super sweet. Love her. And I'll show you the extra. Let me pull these out so we can see. And of course, I'll hold this up. This is her. Oh, come on, camera. She is Thriss and Stitches in its full spectrum. So we got that. And this is the extra. And they are so totes adorable. Oh, they'll stop moving eventually. Come on, camera. Well, there they are. Aren't they cute? They look like little skeins of yarn. Just saying. They're super cute. I love those. Those are super cute. And now for the piece de resistance. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. The yarn. The yarn. Okay. It is called Christmas Cheer. It is 75% superwash merino and 20% nylon and 5% stellina. There are 231 yards or 100 grams per hank. There are 2 hanks, so that would make this 462 yards total or 200 grams total. And look at these. Aren't they dreamy? They are really dreamy. And you, for some reason, you can't see the sparkle on these. These are super mega sparkly. And there's a little sparkle, but not much. Trying to grab the sparkly. There's sparkly in there, but it's not catching. Trying to catch the sparkly. You can kind of see right here. But there they are. Absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love these. Absolutely. And I love Christmas yarn. So I'm super happy for these. And I can't wait to make a hat. And maybe gloves or a cowl. I don't know. I can't wait. But I can't wait to show you guys. So this is amazing. Thank you, Thriss. I really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. And happy yarning. Merry Christmas. Stay safe out there.